right, cool.
This is for the Panasonic bath fans for Lexar and Lott homes with the module in the laundry room. Here's the module right here. You get these at Gensco. It's the fan, speed, and timer module. After you plug it in, you need to set the module to the low speed setting, which is 30 CFM, and the timer to, what, did you just start it or something, or what happened?
No, you're good, you're going.
Okay, cool. Zooming in, oh, we got effects going on. Then the timer goes to 30 seconds. This is for testing, just make sure it works. After you test it, we can ramp it up to 5 minutes. It'll run for 5 minutes extra after you turn the light switch off. Over here is your high speed, should be set to 110 all the time. Right now the light switch is off and it is running at a very low CFM, 30 CFM. It's got to be pretty quiet in here for you to be able to hear that. Eddie, go ahead and flip on the switch and we'll listen for it to ramp up. It takes a second or two. So we're pretty much at full speed right now. I don't know if you can tell in the video or not that it ramped up quite a bit. There's quite a bit of difference in sound, so that you know what we're doing is right. So Eddie, go ahead and flip off the switch. Should take about 30 seconds for it to go back down to 30 CFM, and we want to make sure that happens before we just wrap this up and clean it up. After we do confirm that, we can twist our timer dial over to 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever you want to do, but typically we put it at 5 minutes for the homeowner.
All right, let's talk about initial setup when it comes out the box, right? Just how to set it up and get it going. So we put it on, and what's the first steps? What do we got to do first? The timer first, or the, you know what I mean?
It does not matter the sequence. There's no restart to calibrate anything. Once it's plugged in, it's already
going.
It's going, yeah.
So just plug it in.
You just need to plug it in
and set it.
And whatever it comes from the factory, that's what it's going to do, unless you change something. So you just need to make sure that those dials are in the correct position, which is 30 CFM and half a minute for testing and 5 minutes for full speed.
Okay.
I hope you can hear this in the video, but it ramped down 30 seconds. We're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to 5 minutes on the timer for the homeowner. Then button this up and we're good to go.
Okay, so let me just make sure I got it right. So initial setup, we plug it in, and then the one over there should be 110.
Low speed.
I mean low speed.
It's 30 CFM.
Yeah. And then
your 50 or 30 second timer.
Okay.
Over here is your high speed, and there's 3 options. Just switch it all the way to 110.
Okay, to 110. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Super simple.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.